Let's build an agent that helps us with our leads. Lead Triage Agent. We're going to build this agent in Google Workspace with 3 very simple steps. Lead Triage Agent, it takes a form submission, reads it, and sends you a summary email. Instead of you going through your inbox, checking all emails or form submissions one by one, this will give you a summary of what's a hot lead that you need to act right away. I've already built it right here. So first thing what you want to do is go to Workspace Studio and create a new flow. Step one is when a form response comes in. Here's a simple what, depending on your business or what form you want to summarize. For example, this agent specifically works when a form response comes in. For example, you might be doing outreaching to coaches, just like I am. Any outreaching or any form submission that you have, and then you want to summarize this. There's different use cases here. But in my case, I created this simple form. I'm looking for fitness coaches, someone that would use my new virtual try-on tool, Stage Ready Fit. So I wanted to create this form and summarize the hot leads. And also, I'm building this lead triage agent that would help me do this. First step is when a form response comes in. So let's go ahead and start a new, we will start a new flow. And you're going to see here, choose to start your flow. You're going to see here when a form response comes in, you click on it and you add your form. Your form can be any form. This is just summarizing it and sending you a quick email to let you know what's hot. From here, once you choose your form, then you're going to choose the next step, summarize. Now let's go back here and next step would be summarize. What to summarize? In a drop-down menu, choose content from previous steps. Then you will have to enter a prompt for Gemini. I have my own prompt set up here for my own form. You will need to set up your own prompt, but you can follow exact same structure. I've filed all the prompts, link in the description in the folder Lead Triage Agent. You get all checklist and prompts. If you want to make the prompt work for your own business, I would open any AI chat and enter the prompt and just tell it, keep the same structure, but use my company or my form, and my form is such and such. So once you enter the prompt, next step would be decide. Gemini report if your conditions are true or false. So pretty much here you enter your second prompt. So first prompt, summarize. Second prompt, decide. That's what the AI model would decide on your behalf, how true. If both conditions are met, I want to know which lead is hot so I can respond right away. And next step, check if step 3 is true. If it is true, notify me by email. And then here you put the variable hot lead, and then the name from the form will pop here, and then summary by Gemini, and you'll be notified by email. So this is so easy. Once you do all of this, just save changes and test it. Just send yourself a form submission and test it to see how it works. Once this is done, now you really have an agent that works 24/7 for you. It would help you with your leads. And what's important, what you gotta pay attention first. I also created 4 or 5 different agents that you might want to set up in your Workspace Studio. I shared the link in the description. You see the setup guide and all the instructions how to set up your own agents. I love building agents because these agents would make your job so much easier, and There are little organizers that work while you sleep, so you don't have to do all the messy inbox checking at your end. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll be building more agents to help with my small business. So if you own a small business, just start building your agents because this is the future. We want to build systems and agents that work for you 24/7 while you sleep. And you can be just the system maker or the agent maker.